Hello friends, welcome to Study Center. It is your video in which you are going to learn about the chapter 2 of your science chemistry part, which is matter around us pure. In this video we are going to take the topic that is concentration of the solutions. What is concentration, by using which methods we can find out the concentration, and some examples regarding the how to find the concentration of any solution. It is your lecture 3 and let us proceed towards it. First of all, what you need to know is what is the concentration of solution. So it defines as the amount of solute present in any given amount of solution, or you can say solvent, is called the concentration of solution. Means simply we are measuring the amount of solute present in any solution. You generally know that solution is made up of solute and solvent. So when you find out the concentration, you can find out as amount of solute divided by amount of solution, or amount of solute divided by amount of solvent. Means with respect to solution also you can find, or with respect to solvent. Now there are so many methods by using which we can find out the concentration of the solutions. Let's start. First one, you can say normality. Second one is molarity. Third is molality. Fourth one is mass by mass percentage, that is defined by percentage W by W, mass by volume percentage W by V, and mole fraction. These are all the methods which are used to find the concentration. But right now, for time being, we are just concerned about the two methods which are being highlighted with a blue color, and these are the two methods we are going to study in this chapter. All other methods you will study in the further higher classes. Let's start with the first one, mass by mass percentage of a solution, that is defined by percentage W by W, and when you write the formula you get mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiply by 100. Second one is mass by volume percentage that of a solution, which is mass of solute divided by mass of volume of solution. So over here when you are considering mass by volume, it is mass volume of solution. That is a different change. When you are going to find out, I am going to use the percentage W by W for mass by mass percentage, and percentage W by V for mass by volume percentage. These are the symbols we are going to use generally. Now let's try to understand this with an example. We have that a solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. We have to calculate the concentration in terms of mass by percentage of the solution. So we have the solute as common salt, and the salt solution is there, in which solvent would be water. So first thing that is given is weight of solute, or you can say mass of solute, is 40 gram, and weight of solvent is 320 gram, because 320 gram is the weight of water. Now for percentage W by W, that we have to find that mass percentage, the formula says mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. But for that we need mass of solution, which we do not have. So to find out, we can do this. Solution is equals to solute plus solvent, and when we add both the solute and solvent, we will get the mass of solution. So over here 40 plus 320 will give you 360 grams, which is the mass of solution. Now simply you will keep it, mass of solute is 40, mass of solution is 360, multiply by 100. So when you cut out the zeros, you will get 100 divided by 9, and when you will find out in decimal, you will get 11.1 percentage. So it is the concentration of solution. Now if the question here is for your practice work, take a screenshot or find the solution of this question and write the answer in the comment box, and let me know whether you have any doubts or not. Thank you for watching the video. Keep liking and subscribing it, and share it to your friends if you find it useful.